It's a me, Day Day. And now for my annual beer trying of each country, city or country. I've done 2 other countries now, but this is Drecker. It's based in Fargo. Here we go. This is probably one of the coolest looking breweries, Mom, I think I've been in. Like, look at this artwork, all the dead Vikings on the wall. It's really cool. Some burnt wood. There we go. Industrial. Like, look at their cans or like their walls though. It's really cool. But number 5 is doing, what do you call it? We're doing cleaning off right now. Oh, what's that? We tied. 3? So update, we have another fire going. And we are back at the campsite. And we've just been made aware that some horrible human being decided to dump 2 domestic bunnies on site, and so the troopers are trying to catch them, and I guess they caught one of them. The other one, my mom and I just tried to go over there and help, but it just ran away back into the bushes. So some awesome person decided to just dump their animals that are domesticated bunnies into the wild. Wow. Life hack 101 for camping for vegetarians. If you want to have s'mores, well, I should stop chewing. If you want to have s'mores and you can't eat the marshmallows because of the gelatin, jet puff. You just put them on the chocolate and the graham crackers, and then you're good. And it tastes delicious, and you don't have to worry about your marshmallow catching fire and burning to a crisp. Nobody wants that. Not me. Yesterday when I was talking about the tire situation, smoking, that was actually the brake, and the story behind that is a funny one. So I'm currently reading this book right now. Sierra, my best friend Sierra, she was in the Color Run video with me if you saw that. But we switched books. So I'm reading this one, and she's reading You Are a Badass by Jen Sincero right now. And the smoke keeps hitting me in the face. But yeah, story time. So, the break was actually smoking in that video earlier in the vlog. Update of our trip. The brake is smoking. Stay tuned. Because my mom had to slam on the brakes in St. Cloud on the way here because some jackwagon decided to U-turn into oncoming traffic. And he wasn't supposed to. He was supposed to be turning like onto the road that we were coming out of. And he decided, nope, I'm going to be a huge truck and I'm going to U-turn. And he almost U-turned into the front of our truck. So that was an experience. Don't want to recommend that. 0 out of 10 would not recommend. But yeah, no, I get to read now, and we're gonna make dinner soon, and it's been a pretty relaxing day right now, and the wind is nice. It's just, I would recommend this campsite.
Think you'll even be able to see him?
I can see him. This little lip is so cute.
If he stood still, if it was
Oh, he's eating a nut.
He is eating nuts, yeah. Wonder if
Oh
he
my
just sits there
gosh.
quietly if he'll come up and get it. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Look at that sizzle. These are my Beyond Beef patties. Got some fire. This fire's on fire. Yeah. Mom's trying to do s'mores without the actual s'more part. She keeps thinking it's on fire. Oh, I'm burning my hand.
Oh. Should we get you a mitt?
Yeah.
Day 3, and it's gross out, so we're leaving early. I'm gonna go find some breakfast on the road. I almost just fell to my death trying to turn this camera. I literally
Oh, did you hurt yourself?
No, I like tripped as I was trying to come up here.
Goodness.
Okay.
Make sure this is locked.
I almost just died. Oh my god. Yum, yummy. I got some mini donuts in the morning. We went back and got a Riley mochas. And then we got some coffee cake, and you can eat that down there. That's our breakfast today. So we're leaving North Dakota. And we're trying to find a postcard. And we can't find one, so now we're giving up. And we don't want fake postcards, so we're not gonna go back into that store. They have a liquor store that's open right now. It is 9 in the morning. This is great. We're downtown Fargo, if you can call this a downtown. But yeah, no, we're leaving. We're going back to Minnesota now. Why are there like people on the wall? Like, that's weird. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna go now.
Boy, this road is not down.
If I didn't know any better, I think we were breaking down.